Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your GMT over there. So welcome back to Oxygen Graphics. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can simply design a business card design on your Pixellab Pro. I'll be dropping all the resources in the description, so download it and use it. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly please smash on that subscribe button, like this video, share and comment, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thank you for coming back guys, I really appreciate. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this tutorial. You will see that I've not been online on this channel posting video. I have a little issue, that's why I'm not here to post. But I really ask for your permission guys. I'm really sorry guys. So let's move down to our tutorial. So open your Pixellab app and you can open a new folder here. So the reason why I will drop the image in the description is that you have the exact size of your business card. So just open from gallery and load the first image. You will use it as your background. So this is the first one, and load it here, and the back you can see it is in transparent. So the next thing that you are going to do now is that just change the color. Just let's add the color. Let's pick on this. So after this color, just come back and import. Just click on import twice. So after this, let's resize it to 100 one by one and get the accurate size. We have the size and the template is ready. So let me just show you what to fill in. Just lock the two and you see that this tutorial will be fast and amazing because all these resources I'll drop it together like this, so it will not waste your time. So the next thing that we are going to do now is to add a text, and on this text add the phone number. Just add a phone number.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
So after this phone number, just copy this one and edit this one as the WhatsApp, as the Telegram. This one will be Telegram. That will be and just put Oxygen Graphics. So the Oxygen Graphics is nice. Let's copy this one and this one as the website. Yeah, so the last one will be location. This is a business card. If anybody see your business card anywhere, it will like to connect you. That's the reason why there will be location on business card. So let's copy this website and edit this one as yeah. So this is the 3. After this, let's lock the 4 of it also. So the next thing that we are going to do now is that what is the what is the title of your business, for graphic designer. Graphics designer. Yeah, and this graphic designer, just resize it and position it inside this. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along, push myself to be the best, die with no regrets, live with every breath, see my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems, try to find out. Yeah, so this is where the graphic designer will be, and the next thing now is that add another text and edit this text as the name. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going, I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once, I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun, shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving, yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in. So you can see this is business card is simple and amazing. So if you want to do for the font, you can just erase all this one. For example, let me show you. If you want to do for the font, just off this one, you can see, and off the text, everything that you have added so far, just off everything, and you have a font. Just put this colorful flowers and this graphic designer at the middle like this. I would love to show you guys that, but there's no time for us now. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly please smash on that subscribe button, like this video, share and comment, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thanks for coming back guys, I really appreciate it. So see you guys in my next tutorial. Peace out.